Alright, so I'm going to show you guys, your DIY guys, how to strip paint off your wheels the fast and easy way. This is actually faster than sandblasting. It comes out just as good. And you save your money from having to take it down and get it sandblasted. I have a sandblaster and it doesn't even do it near as fast as this does. So I'm going to show you a little demo of this. I'm going to do the back side of this wheel right here. And I'll be done in about 30 seconds or a minute. So let's take a look. Alright, so hopefully this thing doesn't wobble around too much so you can see what I'm doing. So I just use this here. This is a setup from Harbor Freight Tools. You can get these wire brushes along. You also have this set for the drill, and they work pretty good too, but this thing actually works better on the little grinder. You know, costs you a few bucks to buy it, and comes right off. Takes the paint right off. I think you guys can get the idea. Then if you want to, if you don't have that grinder, and all you have is a drill, you can use these little bottle brushes. And it works almost as good, not quite. With this tool alone, you can do the whole wheel with that in about a couple minutes. But I use this sometimes too because thing's a little safer. This sucker here, make sure you have your eyeglasses on when you're using that thing, because those little pieces of wire can fly up and get you right in the eye and make you blind real quick. So make sure you use your safety glasses. So little short kit for you guys trying to do your DIY guys who are trying to strip your wheels and you don't feel like taking them down to the sandblasting guy, and just the time sometimes, you know, take it down there and think, oh yeah, we'll get to it. And then paint them instead of powder coating them. I'm having seeing a lot of wheels, or not just wheels, but a lot of stuff that gets powder coated after a certain amount of time. I don't know how long. The powder coating actually likes to come off in sheets. So I don't know, keep that in mind. If you're having that done, depends on where you're getting it done. Like they say different grades of powder, and they say there's issues with that, but I've seen it all across the board. I do a lot of wrought iron painting, and I see tons of wrought iron that you just scrape it and the stuff just falls right off, you know, after 4 or 5 years. So, you know, there's no permanent paint. It's no such thing. So if you use a good urethane paint, what I do is I do this, and then I'll actually use I'll use a DTM sealer from, you know, you can use Tamco has a DTM primer that you can also use as a sealer. Thin it down a little bit, put that over that. Tamco is available online if you're interested in that. Take a look for them. They're very inexpensive primers and sealers and paints and clears, and probably the best quality I've ever used. So you can get that stuff and then paint them, and then save that money, put it in your pocket, and use it towards something else. And a good coat of urethane paint is just really good. It's almost as good as powder coating. Powder coating is a little bit better for chipping at first, but it does last longer. The urethane paint, I think, does last longer. Talk to you in the next video. Please like, share, and subscribe.